Here, we can see the main interface of the gas flow controller. Next, let me show you how to switch the gas. Click on the upper left corner to access the gas selection menu. Select the first option, Standard Gas. As you can see, there is a wide range of gases available for selection. Now, let's select oxygen as an example. First select O2, then press Set. Next, click the button in the upper right corner to return to the main interface. It's O2 now. Next, I will show you how to restore the factory default gas settings. Click the upper left corner, select gas selection once more, and then choose Restore. The factory default gas has now been restored.